Hi everyone! In this video, we show you how to fix Instagram highlights that have disappeared. First of all, open an Instagram app on your mobile device. Now tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Then, tap on your menu icon on your top right corner. After that, scroll down and tap on the option Hide Story and Live. As you can see, there is no specific option available here to fix disappearing highlights. So we can try updating our Instagram app. For that, close Instagram and open the App Store. Here, search for Instagram app. Check if there is any latest update available here. If it is available, make sure to update your app to the latest version. Next, close the App Store and open your mobile settings. Here, scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on iPhone Storage. Now search and tap on the Instagram app option from here. We need to offload the app to get rid of unnecessary data and bugs. This will fix the problem of highlights disappearing. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.